Nice weather. We have the sun out. We
Yes.
saw with Nolina in the park.
Deceiving, though.
It's cold.
Yeah, sure is. I took the doggies out last night. They just want to get back in.
In and out.
You know, let's do our business and be done with it. Hey, don't forget about the pets. I know Barbara Carr is coming up here in a couple seconds. I'm quite sure she'll remind you as well. Keep them indoors. You don't want to be out in it, and neither do the pets. Let's check out what's going on at noontime today. Taking you down by the Buffalo waterfront here, and an icy cold scene down there. And, you know, I drove by the small boat harbor briefly yesterday afternoon, and gosh, the ice fishermen are out there. A little colony going on by the lake shore down that direction just south of the city, and that ice continues to grow even thicker with these very cold readings that we've been dealing with. As we take a peek at some of the low temps across the area this morning, wow, it was cold. In fact, Buffalo officially down to -1. Not a record. The record, by the way, for the state, -16, set back in 1982. Niagara Falls bottomed out at -6. Pavilion, Wales, both coming in at -8, -9 at Clarence Center. And the weather spotter up in Pendleton reporting -13 degrees this morning. If you thought it was cold around here on the eastern side of the state, Barnes Corners, New York, dropped to -30, and even Watertown down to -24 degrees. So it can always be worse, right? Satellite and radar picture. We're enjoying some sunshine as of the noon hour here in western New York. Back to the west. This is the messy stuff that's heading our way for tomorrow, and it's a tricky situation again, shaping up somewhat of a complex storm system, a weaker storm moving in from the west, another one refiring along the east coast. Super Microcast has some of that sunshine over the area this afternoon. The breeze picks up a bit this afternoon, so we're probably going to be dealing with a little bit more of a wind chill this afternoon as compared to the morning hours. And along with that sunshine, some high clouds. Pretty nice to see that sunshine out there. As we get into the nighttime period, as that storm starts to head our way from out of the west, we'll see increasing clouds. And our very latest Super Microcast model does bring snow and a wintry mix into areas mainly south and southeast of the city overnight and also into the morning hours tomorrow. Then this kind of winds down. I would not be surprised if we have some precipitation-free periods, at least during Tuesday. There's just a chance of maybe a rain shower during the afternoon or a bit of wintry mix. As we get into the evening hours, a greater threat of some rain showers and a wintry mix redeveloping, which is going to change over to snow showers, especially by Wednesday morning. And we'll be dealing with more of that, at least for the midweek periods. It turns progressively colder on Wednesday. Right now, 15 degrees at Buffalo. We have 13 at Niagara Falls. We're struggling. You know, by the finish of the afternoon, we'll probably get up to around 20 degrees. You're pretty close to it already by the lakeshore, though, at Dunkirk with 19 down here. 17 at Bradford, 16 at Wellsville. And when you take the wind into account right now, the wind chill temperature, this is what it feels like in Buffalo. 3 above 0, 2 at Niagara Falls, 9 down there at Jamestown, and 5 at Wellsville. Checking the forecast details for this afternoon, the sunset time that's coming up at 5:09 this afternoon. And as we head over to the forecast, it's just going to be downright cold out there for this Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and mostly to partly sunny skies across the area. The temperatures probably edging into the low 20s this afternoon. That's about the best we're going to do. For the overnight, increasing clouds, snow, and a wintry mix developing mainly south of the city overnight. The lows tonight, 18 to 24 degrees. Then tomorrow, cloudy skies will have some wintry mixed precipitation around, at least during the morning hours. And then during the afternoon, just a chance of a rain shower or wintry mix, 34 to 38. Some precipitation-free periods in there on Wednesday. Cloudy, snow showers turning colder. Highs 25 to 30 degrees will be down to about 20 degrees by the finish of the day. And it turns even colder still toward the end of the week. Some snow showers likely on Friday and Saturday. Maybe even a little bit of a widespread light snowfall later on Thursday, but we're down to a high of 18 on Friday and 15 degrees around here again on Saturday.